Yung pants mo. Complete family. Totoy! Hi guys, I'm Star and today I am alone. Hi Didi. Anyway, I'm alone kasi sleeping pa si Mama Sky. Nag-duty siya kagabi so I can sleep in that so I can go to church since tapos na siya mag-church yesterday ng 6 a.m. So today, my agenda is, or our agenda is to have a photo shoot for Rigel Mateo because it's already his second month. Dapat 29 but since it's February, well, I'm 29. So, we need to celebrate it on 28. Although it's just February 27 today. Happy 32nd anniversary to my parents. Today na namin yung shoot. Tapos syempre tomorrow ko mag-post and celebrate and eat kahit at home lang. So, I'm gonna reveal my baby's face or our baby's face and then wala here si G kasi tapos na yung paternity leave niya. So, I'm here back at our home kasi every Mondays to Thursdays, hinahatid niya, Sundays to Thursdays, hinahatid niya kami here so that my family can help me with Rigel, with taking care of Rigel, and then sinusundo niya kami every Thursdays, but only for today I'm going to the office, so sunduin namin si Rigel afterwards kasi I'm gonna claim my check for my SSS benefit, and then what else? Yeah, I'll be showing you, or I'll be showing today's vlog yung shoot namin with Rigel. So, makikita niyo siya. And of course, the theme is still Marvel Heroes. Hero for the second month will be a surprise later on. So, see you guys later. Additional lang, for today's vlog then, I'll be showing you a glimpse of what happens daily. So, from 2 to 3 or every 2 to 3 hours I pump for the milk of Rigel, and then yeah, I sterilize the bottles, very independent, and I wash the bottles. Tapos yeah, all the necessities needed or essentials for our baby boy. And then yeah, that's all. Siguro sa next vlog na yung realistic night with a newborn. Kasi ang kasama ko alternate, minsan si Mama Sky or Nana and Lolo or minsan si Tata Ina. So yeah. Yes, yung memory card lang yung zero. Ano ba?
Wala din si Ina, tapos busy si Sky. I love you, Mommy. I'm your son, Mateo. Rigel Mateo.
Pakita ka, baby. Pakita ka, baby. Sabi. Nung nakita si Lolo, umiyak. Why? You want Lolo? You don't want mommy. This is Tata Ina. Yan, Tata label niya. Kay Lolo, Lolo. And then kay Mama, Nana yung gusto niyang tawag. And then, Mama Sky is promoted. Dati Tata Sky. Si Tata Ina di pa ready kasi nung dumete sa kanya. Hindi na pag guys, natakot siya. Di na. Ayaw kay mommy. Ayaw. Pakita ka naman. Nana, come here. Binubulong pa ni Mama, nakakarinig na rin ka naman sa pants. Anong pants mo? Ang bagay pa siya. Guys, it's their 32nd anniversary kasi ganyan.
Ate Sky M.
Oh, please lang yung iwala si Ate Sky. Ay, sorry.
Si Ate Sky Lunch.
Yes, night shift. Hi, Lola! We're vlogging. Wala, nagbablog kami lang. Gusto mo? So, they're leaving na may pasok si Tata Ina and then Nana and Lola as for today. So, Nana and Lola will leave for today. So, yeah. We're saying bye na to our baby boy kasi later this evening, uwi na kami ni baby. Kay daddy. Kaya nagbabonding. Hindi ko bonding. Kasi nagbabonding na siya. Uy, I love you, boy. I love you, boy.
Be.
Live selling.
Kaya nagtaas na ako ng paa.
Si Mama,
Ay, wala pa yung nasa yung palit na lang.
nagpalit ka talaga ng sapat.
Bakit po may nagpalit? Okay nga eh.
Mukha siyang lulo.
Normal kasi ano.
Lolo na po ng dalawa siya. Lolo na siya ni Riza.
Isa yung mga kagwa ko.
Valentine's Day.
Maternity shoot nila, guys. Uy! Nasira yung pants mo, gosh. Ay, Tata Ina. Guys, iwan ko na ako na lang yung papasok sa school. Siya na yung mag-alala. Gonna be a student again. ID 112. Well, 112 talaga.
Nakamotor na lang.
Anong ID number mo? 120. 122 na yung ID number niya. Ako 112. Diba? Very close. Ha?
May mga order daw sila.
Saan?
Si Shampoo. Order mo, COD.
This is Tutoy.
Ay, nakukunin na
Yan ako. Kunin na ng lolo. Yan na.
Hindi. Ba't po pala po?
Tutoy. So cute. Tutoy.
Reject pala to. Tignan. Isa may toothpaste naman.
Hindi, wala pa.
Parang design naman. Hindi ko rin ako.
Tapos, binili ko natin pinagawa.
Naul may breaks.
Hindi ko lang sinasabi natin.
Araw na mula. Hindi naman nag-sadfish. It's my love. May kinisisa dyan. Ang gusto mo talaga rin na, okay? Hindi, mag-breakfast ka muna. Breast part yung binili namin. Breast part mo. Ay, wings pala. Mama, wings pala gusto ni Lola. Bakit breast yung sinabi mo?
Breast gusto niya maniwala.
Hindi mo pala alam anong gusto mo na eh.
Nalilito lang yan.
Nice yun. Nice yun. Go dirty. Kasi ina may pasok.
Wala siyang ano.
Walang duty.
Hala, andito na yung isa.
Sino?
Yung ako'y.
Ah,
Akala ko wala siya.
Hindi basta mag-ready ka lang.
Sama
Pwedeng
pala.
hapon, pwedeng gabi.
Akala ko naman may siya.
Kaya nag-waiting.
yeah, may.
Joaquin, you have best friend. You say good morning, best friend. Come here. Come here. You have best friend. I'm your best friend. How about na to? Guys, mapakita mo sa vlog, baliktad yung pants mo. Dali. Para realistic tayo dito, guys. Yan. Happy 32nd anniversary.
Then we picture.
Ayan.
Yes, we're
One,
vlogging. Smile
two,
talaga, picture daw.
3, smile. Okay, very good.
Oh, done na. You're smiling. You have Lola? Uy, baby. Uy. Gigil si Lola sa'yo, oh. Hey, what you doing? You ask permission when you get things from people. Look at Lola's hair, oh. It got messy. You please sit back.
Mawag-wapa mukha, oh.
Yung lips niya, color ng lips na dito.
Nakangiti lang siya. Okay, say bye vlog.
Say bye, vlog. You say bye.
Love you vlog. Maga.
Give me money. Ayaw na money.
Why? How much you want?
I'm going to read that
50.
Uy, bigyan yung pera. Open car, tato. I get money.
50.
Ito, pang na, happy mo.
Joaquin said, give me money. Yay! You have money.
Felicito tattoo.
Wait, no, don't. 30.
You buy in the palengke or the tindahan?
Bye, Nana, Lolo, and Tata. Did you say bye na to your uncle?
Bye,
Bye.
Toy.
Bye.
Bye.
I want.
Kaya sunod na mag-ano yung Colgate. Get the money.
Wow!
Bye. Hi. It's time to take a bath, my baby. Yay! Setup is done, but the cake is still missing. Papunta na via Grab. Sadly, when I pumped the balloon, pumatok siya. So sad. But the costume is so cute, so I hope, the costume will carry the shoot. Ta-da! So, he's currently sleeping. Pinatulog ni Mama Sky. And then, while sleeping si baby and waiting for the cake, Sky will eat na breakfast para maximize yung time since I'll be leaving at 1:30 p.m. Mama Sky, it's time to eat. Faster, hindi ka pa nakakakain. Thank you, Mama Sky, for the cake. Pati costume sa lahat.
But we have to change the handle. It's red naman, no?
So this is the cake for the shoot. And we're gonna save it until Saturday kasi, what do you call this? Mag-video shoot pa kami with Gigi na blowing yung cake, candle, etc. Blowing cake. Yeah, it's a cake for a project. Be careful.
Can I have the cake?
No, not yet. Because we need it for our project solution. You watch the TV first. I'll show you the cake afterwards.
They have a video shoot also on Saturday. Strong.
The baby is ready. Bango ng neck ng baby ko naman.
Rigel, wake up. Wake up, Rigel. Rigel.
Don't make that face, baby. You smile, ha?
Okay, mommy.
I need the camera.
Hold on. I'm fixing it.
Raja, say hi to mommy. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hello naman, baby. Hello. Hi. Pogi baby talaga yan. Parang si mommy. Hi. Hello. Hello. Happy second month, my baby. How are you pooping? Mama Sky, help! So pogi naman yan. So pogi naman this baby. Take care of Rigel first.
I am the
Since
Proxima.
Mommy Star will go to the office. So it's time to prepare since I'm leaving, so sis Mama Sky munang bahala sa lahat. We're done with the shoot. So, yeah. Hi guys, I'm already dressed up. Medyo low yung voice kasi sleeping pa si baby. But while he was sleeping, naligo na ako, and then after was kahit a bath. And then I prepared my stuff na kasi later uwi na rin kami ni Rigel, my favorite, his daddy, Gigi. And then, yeah, I prepared some stuff lang and breast milk currently I'm pumping. So, afterwards, I'll go pag-program na tapos, yeah, ito na ako sa office. So, I'm done doing the duties of a daughter. And nabili ni Dirty. Flower for Mermaid. And then I bought a mini cake lang para meron din si Dirty. Yay! I'm here to secretly meet Papa na sa may cinema area para i-surprise si Mermaid. Yay! We're on the way to M&M.
Sige po, basahin mo yun ng 6
Are you happy? Happy anniversary! Blow the cake! True. Dried flower. Si Dirty namili niya. Aww. Correct yung story. Natakpan yung mukha niyo. Parang soft launch. Akin na i-edit ko. Baka sabihin, ay iba na yung asawa niya.
Sabi ko nawawala mo.
Tignan mo yung story ni Mama. 30, ilang years na kayo, Papa?
30.
32, di ba? Inaral ni Dirty yun bago siya umuwi ka ganun.
Ha? Ang taba mo?
MM time! Naiyak sila, aww! Say hi to our vlog! This is my mommy and daddy! So, the surprise ganap is over. Nandito na ako sa back office. So, I can start pumping dahil I can feel the milk. Sayang naman, so let's pump. So, I usually don't go na to the washroom or the restroom kasi it's very convenient. Like, naka-shirt ako. I'll just enter. And then, wala namang makakita. Yeah. And then, click it. Another one. You just wrap it with plastic kasi mamaya, kapag liquid cleaning or hindi mo na-dry mabuti, may mag-spill or may mabasang part. Kaya ko lang siya pinag-plastic. But, I don't know if some people... Oh, by the way, may pump devices. Automatic nagsa-stop siya na 30 minutes. So, before I usually turn on my timer, ang power pumping schedule ko kasi is 20 minutes and then your break time na 10 minutes and then another 10 minutes to pump, another break time na 10 minutes and then another 10 minutes of pumping. But I became super busy. So, hinahayaan ko na lang siya mag-auto off para 30 minutes every 2 hours or 2 to 3 hours. And then, I'm gonna show you guys
anong itsura ng storage niya sa baba. May pang-cool siya ng milk para mas tumagal siya. So, upon check-in, 24 hours na tagal. Ito nilalagay ko sa freezer. I don't know what you call this. So, I brought 2 bottles lang kasi 6 p.m. naman out na si Gigi. So, dadaanan niya na ako. And then, the bag brand is this one. I like it. It's very handy. Tapos, pwede siyang side bag or parang hand carry talaga. So, Mermy tasted na the cake. How is it? Oh my gosh, ang laki nun ha. Tiran mo si Dirdy. Si Dirdy, may tanong. Anong tanong mo, Dirdy? Kala niya tinago lang daw ni Mermy. Bilis kumain. Nami, thanks. Tama si guys. So yummy. So yummy. This is one of my favorites here whenever going here. It's a cash and carry. I love it. So I bought 2. Pumping and hungry. So guys, it's already 4:54 p.m. 30 minutes na lumipas. So let's check kung wala nang na-pump. This is for the left side. Diba? Super convenient. Konti lang 50. That's not bad. At least meron. And then, yan. Oof. The other one naman. This is from my right side. I think mas madami to. Ayan. 60. This is for my baby boy. Later, pag-uwi. As much as possible, ayoko siya nagpo-formula. But kapag talagang wala on hand, or nagpump ako, tapos gusto niya mag-latch. Formula. So, most of the time, or average naman 1 lang yun. Or once a day lang. Yeah, para sa health niya din. And of course, alam ko mas good health siya kapag breast milk. So yeah, I'm gonna transfer it. Watch me do it. Okay. All done. So, currently I'm waiting for Gigi now. This is me. And then, sunduin na namin si baby boy. Hi guys! Di na ako nakapag-vlog but I'm pumping again. It's already 6:43 p.m. And kasama ko na ang boyfriend ko. Char! Yes, kasi hindi siya makita. Ba't gano'n? Mas kita ako. Ayan siya guys, yung shadow na lang siya. Yan, madilim kasi. So, hindi ko ma-turn on yung lights kasi driving. So, we're gonna pick up our baby boy. And then, uwi na kami. That's it for today. Yan, update namin siya later. Miss niya na daw yung baby namin. And then, kanina tumawag siya. Dapat pala binigyan ko. Sabi niya na sa Skyway na daw siya guys. Magaling na siya magsinungaling. I'm kinda scared. Kasi sabi ko, bakit parang gumagaling na siya? Kasi bigay na bigay siya kanina guys. Parang sumisigaw pa siya eh. Babe, parang sabi ko, ano nangyari? Kala ko nabangga or ano. Tapos sabi niya, planado daw. O, di ba? Kung ano iisip niya. So yun, update namin kayo later. Bye! Hey vlog! Kasama na ang daddy. Skin to skin na. Namiss ng daddy. Say dada! Thank you, Mama Skoy, for taking care of our baby. Going home now. Daddy?
Na ano ka pa, nahiyaw ka pa.
You miss Daddy. Did you miss Daddy?
Who's that?
That's Rigel.
That's right, Joe.
Hi, baby.
Talk to Daddy again, you smile.
Hi, baby.
Mom, little baby Rachel.
Baby Rigel's looking at you, oh. You talk to Baby Rigel.
Baby Rachel. Jeez.
You tell him a story.
Sorry.
Are you pooping?
This is pooping.